Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your laptop stays powered and responsive. Plug it in or confirm the battery is above 20%. Next, close apps that hog the CPU so changes apply smoothly. Open settings from the Start menu or press Windows key plus I, then select System and Display. Once done, look for Night Light, Blue Light Filter, Eye Comfort, or Comfort View depending on your OS and manufacturer. This gets you straight to the controls without extra steps or delays. Now enable the Night Light or Eye Comfort toggle to see the warm tint applied. This preview confirms the effect. Use the strength or color temperature slider to reduce blue light. Moving it toward warmer tones increases protection but changes color accuracy. Then choose a schedule. Use sunset to sunrise for automatic timing, or pick custom to enter specific start and end times. Make sure to save or apply settings. On some systems, you can also enable quick toggles in the Action Center. Finish by testing the mode across browsers, documents, and video to confirm comfort without unacceptable color issues. If you need color accuracy, disable the mode temporarily for that task. If controls are missing or grayed out, update your display drivers or Windows version, and make sure manufacturer utilities like Intel Graphics Command Center or AMD Radeon are checked. These sometimes override system settings. Finally, restart the laptop to ensure persistent changes. If problems persist, reinstall drivers or contact support for device-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.